don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to Amabenzo TV. It's the Nedbank Cup. Orlando Pirates 4, Chakuma 1. I'm joined by my brother Kamabanu Puma.
My name is Buyani. My name is Zulu. I'm coming from Melmont.
He came in when
I came. We've been talking about Kuli came. Been talking about Kuli came. But come see what I asked about Zelili. They have a brave wood to bang over the game. As well as the supporters, they saw that Orlando Pirates the top team. Yeah, that's how we say. Orlando Pirates is the best team.
Mapagania Mzwili ukuthi keza chizi iphumile
Orlando Pirates is always be the best team in the world.
Man of the match.
Man of the match.
Yeah.
Jungle Bessie, you know, is the best dog in the world. Orlando Pirates forever.
Bafo in that bank it thathi loan ya player oyithemba ukuthi izokora next game leyo player mangakora bazothi yakhe imali yayithoma rayifetha
ebona le thoma rayifetha is the one and only dog.